Hi, my name is Leah Morrison, and I love spreading fun and happiness through art. And in this class, we will be painting Owl So Sweet. My favorite part about this cute and whimsical painting is the little shimmery accent on it. I added a little bit of shimmery gold on its feathers to make it a bit more interesting. A little about myself. I'm a paint and sip art instructor. I have a mobile and virtual paint party entertainment service called Paint Me a Party, and we are based in Los Angeles, California. For those who are not familiar with painting parties or paint and sip parties, it is a combination of a live face-to-face art class and a party where we not only entertain our students, they get to learn how to create a painting as well. Participants are instructed to paint the same image while they drink, snack, and socialize with each other. It is so much fun, and hey, why not bring it over for video tutorials as well, right? For this class, we get to use the pause and rewind buttons, something we can't do during live streaming and in-person sessions. I named this painting Owl So Sweet. This painting was inspired by one of my clients' little daughters who just adores birds, especially owls. And of course, because she wanted for her and her friends to paint an owl for her birthday party, I thought I'd create an owl and add more cuteness by adding flowers and shimmers. Needless to say that she loved the outcome and they did great. Ever since I've added Owl So Sweet on my website's painting gallery, I've had not only kids but adults wanting to learn how to paint it as well. It's one of my popular painting requests. Just like in person or live streaming paint parties, I will show you the step-by-step process on how we can create this whimsical and cute painting from beginning to end. This class is especially great for beginners as well as seasoned artists who'd like to just have fun creating something different. Food for thought. To get really good at painting or to master anything in general, practice is key. The more you do, the more you get good at it. Over time, you might not realize that painting becomes natural to you. You also develop your own style as you go. In the upcoming videos, we will cover the basic structure and use a certain style of stroke to achieve this whimsical look. We will go over blending colors and adding details to give our owl that classical painting vibe in combination with a modern look. At the end of this class, you'll be amazed at how well you can paint using acrylic paints and other simple art materials. So, let's grab some wine, cheese, crackers, and get this painting party started.